Hello, welcome back. Today we're unboxing this. It's the Honda Spoon Sports Civic Type R in 1/24th scale by Fujimi. This is the EK9 version. You can see quite a lot of Japanese information, some colour suggestions, a bit more information, but almost all of this is in Japanese. Say it's Fujimi. Let's have a look what's inside. Now this was purchased from EK9 Models, so it comes with their official paint swatch. Remember that you can get 10% off your order from EK9 Models using the code BOAB10 at checkout. Terms and conditions apply. Every time you use it, benefits me and the channel. Thanks a lot. Well, we've got a clear sprue, grey sprue, yellow, another grey sprue, 2 sheets of decals, a couple more, bodywork, tyres, and the instructions. I'm building this as a tribute to the late Eddie Jordan, who passed away just a few days ago. His team, Jordan Grand Prix, who live on today as Aston Martin, left a big mark on Formula One in the 90s, giving debuts to the likes of Michael and Ralph Schumacher, Eddie Irvine and Rubens Barrichello. I was a big fan of Damon Hill in the 90s, and after his ill-fated season in 97 with Arrows, he went on to Jordan and gave the team their first win at the 98 Belgian Grand Prix. The team went from strength to strength in 99, with 2 wins coming from German Heinz-Harald Frentzen and an unlikely title bid ending in 3rd in the championship. To celebrate the success Jordan had had with Mugen Honda engines, Honda themselves released 500 limited edition Jordan Civics, complete with these decals and the Buzzin' Hornets logo. We look at the instructions. You can see decal layout here. They've got a lot of parts which aren't used in this kit, as this is based on the standard Civic. Quite a simple undercarriage there, just a bit of exhaust, but fairly nice suspension detail. Now it suggests doing this right-hand drive, although this kit does come with both right and left-hand drive dashboards. And then you've got the outside here. So yeah, not much going on, but yeah, this should be a really nice kit to build. So we start by having a look here. This is the standard sprue that comes with the Civic kit. You've got a sort of bucket interior there with the rear seats moulded in. Got a controlling arm for the steering. 2 options for the steering wheel, both with Honda logos. Right and left hand dashboard. We've got some kind of, I think that's a spoiler. That's a kind of rear lip maybe, I'm not sure. Standard mirrors there. Wipers. Lenses for them, another wiper, and some interior parts like, I think that's the handbrake. Alright. Another grey sprue here, and this has got the underside. We've got some suspension detail. We've actually got a variety of headrest choices for the standard seats, which are these ones here. Should also say, if you want to put the headrests into these, there's little drill holes underneath. So we've got the exhaust, we've got number plates. Got some disc brakes, suspension parts. Yeah, looks pretty good. So we've got a yellow sprue here, and this has some of the spoon parts, I believe. So yeah, we've got spoilers there. We've got these 7-point wheels. We've got sort of Recaro style seats as well. There's a handbrake, and I don't know what 5 is. Maybe that part was removed from the sprue. But yeah, all moulded in yellow, the same as the bodywork. Got another choice of wheels here. So these are these 5-point ones. Those are the ones that are shown on the box. Not going to remove these, but you can see them there. These are optional mirrors. They're slightly more aerodynamic maybe. We've got clear parts here. So you can see there's the rear screen. We've got the windscreen with side windows, tail lights, headlights, and sunroof, which is an optional part. Here we've got the tyres, and there's polycaps in there as well. These do actually have Pirelli side markings on them, which is nice. And you can see quite a large mould seam down the middle, so you'd want to remove that. Yeah, polycaps in there as well. And here is the bodywork. So this is the 3-door Civic. You can see no Honda badge on there. Got side indicators, space for the mirrors. A couple of mould seams there on the back, so they'd need to be removed. There's actually no relief for the sunroof, so if you were to add the sunroof, that would be a bit of a challenge. There's also no markings for the wipers, so we'll have to see where they go. But yeah, quite distinctive, this era, and it is already moulded in yellow, so if you wanted to do it as the body art, the box art, or if you wanted to do the Jordan one, it's already coloured like that. Finally, we've got the decals. So you can see here you've got an opportunity to make your own custom Japanese plates. You've got some spoon and Advan decals there, and that bonnet decal. I'm not sure if it's carbon or if it's just black. I think it might just be black. And then on the other side you've got the Honda ones here, such as the Civic Type R, those little Honda logos that can go on the wheels, number plates, dashboard, bonnet decals and all of that stuff. So this looks a relatively simple kit, but yeah, there's quite a bit going on here, quite a few options. Nice having the options of different wheels, different seats, steering wheels, that sort of stuff. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think. Have you built one of these? And I'll see you soon.